Hello and welcome back on my channel Sheet Metal Workshop. This is part 4 of project Piperack. I already did 3 parts, the measurements, the fabrication and the installation, and now we are in the final part, the cladding. So the metal is over there, the tools are here, and I will say let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna start here with position number 1. So all the position numbers are with a shield on it, so it's easy to find where what comes. And we have here also the isometric, so diameter 170. So position number 2, here we have a cutout, and here from position number 4, this T-pipe is the second cutout. So, and the rest is just following the metal on the insulation. So that's the first thing. What we're going to do is making here this first cutout, and therefore I'm going to take my measure tape and just going to take here this size, so 70 until the insulation. So that means this is here my starter segment and the screws are the center. So that means 70 here. There's where my T-pipe cutout starts, and I know the diameter is 170, so 170. So now I have here got already 2 sizes. So next thing what I'm going to do, position number 2. So this is here position number 2, this T-pipe, and if I place it straight, so see, like this, where I marked it here, and the same thing from the other side, just move it down. Okay, well, that's it. So next thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill another 2 holes and cutting it out. Okay, the first piece has been fitted, and the next thing what we're going to do is I could maybe build here the bend further, or I could put on already the T-pipe on it, because I can now lose the screw, and it's maybe better now to fit it because I want to put in here the flat switch underneath. So that's the next thing what I'm going to do. Okay, so far so good. So the next step is the cutout from position number 4. The next pipe is coming, so it will be fitted like this. And what we do again is we're going to measure here until the insulation, so we have 65 millimeter. And now I have marked it, so there's where my cutout starts. And what I do next, position number 4, here we have position number 4. And if I put it here in the center, I'm gonna only put here a small line. And now I'm gonna move this one forward until I can see the line. See, like this. And now I'm gonna start here, continuing it, this line. Same thing, other side also. Okay, I think this will do. Okay, that will do. So again, we're going to drill here another hole, here another hole, and cut the whole thing out. Okay, now next thing what we're going to do, just putting on this metal, just following the pipe until there, and then we're going to continue. Okay, so far so good. So this angle is a little bit turned, so that's why the seam is not with this seam equal. It's a little bit switched. So I will leave the T-piece for later. So next thing what I'm going to do, I could put those here two pipes. I can fit them really quick because they have no cutouts. I just put on the metal, so I will have also less material lying around. So these two I will do next. Okay, now we have put on now these two pieces, and you can here see the difference. We have here a crimping cover, and here we have just an end plate. And normally we use a crimping cover when, for example, in this pipeline is some product and they want to open this here. So it's possible the product comes out, and when you have a crimping cover, it won't get in the insulation. And an end plate we mostly use when it's a steam or some gas pipe in it. So when then it's open, there's nothing what can come out. So that's just a difference of two possibilities. I just wanted to show also. Okay, now next what we're going to do is I'm going to continue fitting this. So I showed this cutout and the cutout over there. So the other cutouts are actually the same thing. So I'm not going to repeat and record all the cutouts. So I'm just going to continue fitting it. Okay, now we're here at position number 6, and this is the band. It's gonna be fitted like this. We have here a cutout, so here's the seam is here down under, and so I have here from center pipe till center pipe 300 millimeter. So that means from this screw 300, so somewhere here. But if I measure this length, so I got here 520 minus 300 is 220. 220. That will be now the center of the cutout. So I know the diameter is 155, almost 80. Okay. Okay, that will do. It's hardly to see, but so I will cut this out, and next what we're going to do, so we're going to fit it. Okay, so far so good. So all the metal is now fitted. So I'm gonna turn this, have a look. So this is how it looks. Now what is left are those two boxes, and that's the next thing what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna fit here two boxes. So one comes here and the other one comes there. And because I don't have now insulation, but normally here when you look, you open it, it locks, put in the insulation. Okay, well, that was it. So the complete metal is now fitted, and from the 6 T-pieces I have here 3 built-in T-pieces. So if this is, for example, somewhere outside and it's raining, now no water can come in because it's inside now. The flat switch is here inside, so all the water is washed down. Here same thing, see here the under half. You can still also now put here also in screws, so I'm not gonna screw the T-pieces. And here same thing, also under there here. You can here also put in some screws. Now this one is, for example, built somewhere if it is inside and doesn't come water on it, so you can also then put in screws, or maybe here put some silicone above here. That's also what a lot of insulators are doing. And here also you can see here also here goes over and inside. So this is, for example, when it is outside, that's the way I've learned it. So, and that's the way I show it. Okay, now further we have here, I have to be honest on this T-pieces, I have to shorten it exactly for 1 switch. So that's why I drill it. So that's one I fixed. That's the only thing I have to short. Everything else was fit well. Okay, I forgot here to put in a screw. Okay, well, that was also good fitted. But if I had to do this once more again, I probably will go the same way. I will make the pants, the YPT pipe exactly, so it will be optical better. And then from here going this side, that will be better, but it's okay. And here also an example of a band when it's also fitted somewhere outside, then not the seam is not above. So also a possibility I wanted to show. Well, that was it. Now here are the boxes. So we have here, for example, also a raining edge. What's also very popular on some chemical plants here in Germany. Or we have also an alternative that is not so popular, but I've seen it also, just also a rain cap coming over the boxes. Well, one box with clips, so it's easy to take it quick off. This is one with screws if it stays for a longer time. Well, that was it, what I wanted to show. I hope it's okay. Didn't fit for a long time, but still, that is the end of the project. So that is the whole thing. So we go here from this side to see another view. Okay, here I forgot a screw, but normally here you can also drill, for example, if you want, but it's not necessary. Well, that's it, Project Piperack. I fitted it, I did it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I mean, here also, you can here put in some screws and tie it up, but I'm not gonna drill. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Okay, well, that was it. So I just wanted to show the whole process from the beginning until the end by measuring, fabricating, insulation, and at the end, of course, the cladding. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If there is any questions or anything I forgot or could be do better, please let me know in the comments. I like to share. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next time in the next video.